Welcome to another advanced ETL process tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be talking about loading data from Clarion top speed files. We have recently introduced support for Clarion TPS files. Our software works with both DAT files and TPS files. It can also work with the databases with multiple tables inside and encrypted top speed files. Let me show how it works. I've already created a source directory and SQL Server connection. So in this demo, I will be loading data from students file into SQL Server database. So let's create new transformation. Let's call it Clarion TPS to SQL Server. This video just demonstrates the principle. You can use the same approach to load data into any database. Whatever, if you're working with Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or any DBC compatible databases. So we're not going to use the validator, so we just delete it. So what we need to do now, we need to select connection and say that we are working with Clarion TPS and select the file. So the file is called students. And we need to select the table. So here's our data. And the next step is to change writer connection. So rather using just select demo, and we need to select the table, which is students, click OK. And after that, all we need to do is just map it. We just use automap function. And we are ready to load the data. All done. Literally takes seconds. Actually less than a second. What else I wanted to show you? For example, if you want to use this file, just need to change the table name. You can see it just works. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as usual, remember, all you need to do to ask, and we will add new feature for you if it is missing. And if you have any questions, just go to our support forum, post it there, and we will help you today.